In this tutorial, I'll show you how to control the particle flow by changing the damp and the friction settings. Let's select the cube, and press Shift-D to duplicate. S to scale. I'll add a particle emitter, and use the third cube as a render object. There is our particle animation. How do we go about making the particles to bounce off, on the surface of the first cube? Would it work if we just turn a collision physics on? The bounce will work once we activate the active rigid body physics to the render object cube at the top. How do we control the speed of the particles, and how do we make them stick on the surface when they touch the target cube? The velocity setting won't do much, so we have to change the scene's gravity itself. Another way is to increase the emitter's damp setting. How do we go about making the particles to stick and drag on the surface of the target mesh? We can try adjusting the damp setting, but not on the emitter mesh. The damp and friction settings must be adjusted in order to make that work. If we only increase the damping setting, the particles will only slide down. We must adjust the friction setting together with the damp in order to make that sticky animation work. The friction alone won't do much. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.